The content team over here at XDynamics, we wanted to challenge ourselves creatively, so we set out to shoot an entire commercial using only our drone, the Evolve 2. This is a behind-the-scenes look at how we pulled it off or failed miserably. You'll be the judge.
All right, everybody, today we are shooting a commercial shot 100% on the Evolve 2. Might sound ridiculous, but I think it's gonna be a fun, creative challenge to shoot the entire video using the drone and the Astromech for Thirds camera on the Evolve 2. So we're heading out to our first location right now.
I don't know. I think we could go a little tighter. Honestly.
More lens. Oh, we're just waiting for a bus now.
Ready?
Yeah, just did it. Three, two, one, go.
Update status, beyond in an hour.
Yeah, I can, but I think right here. With that mic on the vlog camera, we have to get her audio because the drone's not recording audio, obviously. So we'll have to get that filmed. Okay, we're done. Spot one, done. Good job, talent. All right, now we gotta go indoors, shoot some stuff inside with the drone. Let's go. Bus stop scene is done. Now we're moving into the scene where the talent's coming into the home. We've got our lighting getting set up. We use a bit of the window light as well. And yeah. Yeah, that's the first walk in. And then we'll go into this corner probably and shoot this wide. We're going to take the bag off, drop it at your feet. Cool, cut. So hopefully use the back part, but that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, we just finished our wide shots with the 12 mil. So now we're doing the 17 millimeter, which is effectively 35 millimeter. And we're gonna also do some manual focus at f2.8 so we can get some nice depth of field. This is tricky, but we're doing it. Shot on the drone. Okay, so you're gonna reach forward and grab. Things are going quite well. Last scene of the spec. Okay, very last setup of the day, the last scene. It's gaming setup. Single op drone when in the air. On the ground, you can run it as a dual op. Mo's gonna be doing the pan, and I'm gonna be doing focus pulling from the ground station. Which come? Let's do it where I just move this. We're rolling, you're dancing. Stay there in place and then look over. Let's see. Woo!
Is that a wrap?
That is a wrap, Victoria. Good job. Good job, Mo.
It's a wrap!
Now it's up to Mo and myself, edit it together and see how it comes out.
Update status, be on in an hour.